What's good, squad? It's your boy, Bobby XP, and I finally got it. Yeah, I finally got it. So this is gonna be a little quick unboxing video. I've been following this brand for I don't even know how long. All I know is I remember when they were still like a really small brand. Alright, so let's see. I only got one chain. So see, we got the logo right here. All right. Shit about to be dicey. Damn, how do you get the? So they really want you to work for it to get this out of here. Oh, it's a little opening. Hey, all I gotta say is I just woke up. Okay, give me some slack. God damn! Jesus Christ, Oh, so I thought it was two separate. So if you look, it's actually one chain. But it gives the impression that it's two. But okay. Okay. It really does sit really nice on your neck. Hey, shit kind of these. Shit, now let's switch to iPhone mode. Well, I gotta say, this is it's not a bad look at all. I've been waiting for this for years, actually. It's clean right here. So yeah, let me know if you've ever made a purchase from River Romance, and if you plan to make more. I would damn near buy their whole catalog. I love this stuff they make, and this is the first time I ever got like a chain from them, so this is amazing. And without further ado, ain't much more to say. I'll see you guys in the next video.